guys, have you checked out our last video, Downton Abbey on a Budget? If you haven't already, go check it out.
Today is a snow day. As you can see, there's a lot of snow behind us, and it's actually a foot. There's a foot of snow at our house.
It's true.
We're gonna go and see our animals and go have an interview. So
We have a lot of snow here. If you look at one of our cars, it's buried. It's real buried. So we're gonna see how this goes. Woo. Our pasture here with all our animals. We have Daisy, our dog, our precious puppy.
Yep, she's white.
And here are our horses.
oh,
They've got icicles on them.
Oh gosh, look at you. Oh, and over there's
So
two other
pretty.
horses. Look at Molly. Surprisingly, the water didn't even freeze.
Yeah, we are
Wow.
buried here. It's freezing cold.
this is one of our turkeys, Mr. T.
These are
Hands
only male.
freezing, and
Hi, buddy.
Oh,
There's
there's
another
another one. Here we've got some goats. They like to hide up in the barn because they're pretty cold.
There they are. That's Noel, and that's Yesel. Say hi, guys. Yeah, hi. All right, let's go see some more animals.
So we're gonna go over and check on our chickens, see how they are out in this cold, cold weather. It's not working out real well for him. Oh, poor bud. Look at that. We have our bunny, our wonderful, beautiful bunny.
Cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream, yep. Here's one of our chickens that survived the night. Sadly, 2 of them have died, but we have 2 chickens. Yay. 2 of them survived, at least. But, yeah, here's our chicken coop.
The
Pretty
snow
big.
covered this part.
Look at that. We have 2 llamas. Okay, so these llamas are very special. One of them actually has some crooked teeth, so he's gonna look pretty interesting. But the other one, he is as nice as a puppy. Oh my word. He is so cute.
Our llama is buried in the snow. He laid down.
Speaking up.
There's one llama that you see his
there's
head.
2.
Oh, he got up. He was buried by the snow.
My word.
These are our llamas.
Silly goose.
This one is Chris. He's very cold.
He's very
Hi,
nice.
Chris.
Aren't
has
you?
icicles.
Aw.
Are you cold, buddy? Yeah. And this one is Jonathan. He is interesting. This is where he laid down, and all the snow covered him up. He's not very nice. His teeth are wonky. Yep. Oh, he's so cold. There you go. He's all covered with snow.
Oh, look at Daisy. She's all the way out there.
Daisy's over there.
And
Come on,
behind
Daisy.
Daisy is a track that
So much snow.
I barely see.
So much snow.
Daisy.
Thanks guys for watching our video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and there will be more to come.
Please like and subscribe. Give a big thumbs up.
Bye.